Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to move the taskbar on Windows. So let's begin the video. At first, you have to unlock the taskbar. To do that, right-click on an empty space on the taskbar. From the menu, see if Lock the taskbar is checked. Click it to unlock the taskbar. Now, to move the taskbar, just click and drag the taskbar to any edge of your screen, top, bottom, left or right. Now let go of the mouse button and it will snap to that side. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.